just maybe a little bit later than we were expecting, but he was the man we were expecting to see charge away. Coming in to this stage, that's a bit of a shame. These strange times, but great to see some of Estonia's rally fans be able to get out there.
They would have been the hottest tickets in town, wouldn't they? It was like a pop concert for a big superstar.
There was a pop
Evans up on the split by 1.5 seconds. It's just me looking at it as a video camera, so to speak. It looked like a tyre delamination. I'm still waiting for some confirmation from the team.
Well, exactly. Local lad put away even further. He hadn't got one of the victories, remember, over the last 2 years here, albeit obviously outside the World Championship. So there you go, as he goes to make use of this more technical stage.
They've got these updates now in this higher line with the front bumper and the little winglets on the top of the rear arches to help improve when they turn in the tyre grip.
A couple of stages, backward lapping. Start line, yeah, he has been a bit between his teeth. Great view.
He's there on the speed, he's only played one.
Wow! Incredible run from the Irishman once again. Even has a chance of pipping